Unlock the full potential of your data by learning how to craft highly customized analytics reports in Looker Studio. First, head over to Looker Studio and click on the Create button in the top left corner to start a new report. Next, connect your data source. For this example, we'll use Google Analytics, but Looker Studio supports a wide range of platforms. Select your desired account and property. Now, let's customize. On the right, you'll find the Properties panel. Here, you can change everything about your chart, from the dimensions and metrics displayed. Under Dimension, choose the data you want to categorize, like date or country. Then, under Metric, select the values you want to measure, such as sessions or revenue. Click the Style tab to modify the visual appearance. Change colors to match your brand. Adjust font sizes for readability, and experiment with different chart types to find the best way to present your data. Add interactive controls for further customization. The date range control is particularly useful, allowing users to filter the data by specific time periods. And that's it. By mastering these simple steps, you can tailor your Looker Studio reports to track the KPIs that matter most to your business, driving informed decisions and achieving your goals. Remember to explore all the different features, and happy reporting.